fingerprints or his palm prints in the office, he had an explanation for that. Because he was here. He'd been here. And it made sense then. The only thing is, it didn't make sense to have his fingerprints on those papers in the muskie hole. That was the thing that, whoa, that was a big thing.
At the same time, detectives looking through Bob Neville's business papers turn up details regarding the insurance document found on the photocopier at the murder scene. At the time of the murder, Keith Latta and Bob Neville still had an active life insurance policy from their days at the